Next topic is food chain, a series of organisms that depend on each other as sources of food. Okay. In this food chain is formed because of a series of organisms feeding on one another. This series or organism taking part at various biotic levels a series of organisms feeding on one another. This series or organisms taking part at various biotic level form a food chain. Each step or level of the food chain forms a trophic level. The autotroph or the producers are at the first trophic level. They fix up the solid energy and make it available for the consumers or heterotrophs. Okay, autotrophs, they are at the first trophic level. Why they are at the first trophic level? Because they prepare food by themselves from the inorganic material by using the sun energy, and they prepare the food for the consumers. The herbivores, they are also known as primary consumer. These are heterotrophs. They come at the second trophic level. Herbivores come at the second trophic level. For example, green plants, grass are producers, goat is herbivores. Goat is an example of herbivore. So the green plants, they come at the first trophic level, and goat, which is a herbivores, it come at the second trophic level. If the goat is eaten by the loin, then loin come at the third trophic level. Okay, so it form a food chain. What it form? It form a food chain. How it form a food chain? You know that goat eat plant. Okay, goat eat plant. So it is a herbivorous animal, and loin it eat goat. So it is a carnivorous animal. So one depend on another for their food. So they form a food chain. Example of food chain. For example, grass, which is producer. So it is eaten by grasshopper. Grasshopper is further eaten by frog. Frog is eaten by snake, and snake is eaten by eagle. So it form a food chain. In a food chain, plants or autotrophs, they are also known as producer. They come at the first trophic level. Insects or herbivores, they come at the second trophic level. Third trophic level, the small carnivores, they come at the third trophic level. They feed on the herbivores. And the larger carnivores, they come at the tertiary, fourth trophic level. They are also known as tertiary consumer. Okay, small carnivores, they are also known as secondary consumer. Grasshopper, you know that plants are producer, grass are producer, grasses come on the producer, all others are consumers. So grasshopper, it is the primary consumer, and frog is the secondary consumer, snake is tertiary consumer. Okay, so it come at the fourth trophic level. So eagle come at the, eagle is also come into the larger carnivores. So what happen in it? The autotrophs capture the energy present in the sunlight and convert it into chemical energy. This energy support all the activities of the living world. From autotrophs, the energy goes to the heterotrophs and decomposers. In a food chain, so producers who produce the food, who prepare the food from inorganic material, and the primary consumer, then secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, they form trophic levels. Okay, at the first trophic level, producer are there. Primary consumer, they come on the second trophic level, they are the herbivores. Secondary consumers, they are the small carnivores, they come at the third trophic level. Tertiary consumer, they are the larger carnivores, they come at the fourth trophic level. Here is example of food chain in nature, in the forest, in grassland, and in a pond. Okay, in a forest, plant is eaten by deer, deer is eaten by lion. And in grassland, I had given you example also that the grass is eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper is eaten by frog, frog is eaten by snake, and snake is eaten by hawk. And in the pond, grass is eaten by grass carp. Grass carp is eaten by small fishes, and small fishes are eaten by duck. So this form a pond food chain.